Look at my dog peeking out from the background. You look like you just have a head. Hey two bitches, I'm Rob and this is On the Cheap Tip and today is Thursday. Now going into the new year, I said I was gonna try some different things. I guess we always have these resolutions, but do we ever stick to them? Not really, but I'm gonna try. So today I'm going to learn how to death drop or drop dead. Probably the latter. If you don't know what that is, that's like a drag queen drop where they just like fall and look like they break their leg. Hopefully that won't happen to me. I'm going to be watching a video from Feast of Fun. Sorry guys. It's a really cool channel. If you haven't checked it out, I'll leave it in the description below. They like cook with drag queens. And they filmed a death drop tutorial. I don't know why this video is on there, but okay. And I'm going to learn how to do it with instruction by famous drag queen Laganja Estranja. So without further ado, I guess let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna put the video on.
So my foot is going out at the same time as my head is opening.
Oh, he's starting right out.
I am not going to land on my knee like this. This is very bad. Don't ever do this.
Don't land on your knee. Important stuff here. Just for the record, I am not held responsible if you try to do any of this stuff.
Ugh, there's just no way to teach this. Okay.
You just said there's no way to teach this.
You just have to go.
Damn. That's scary.
If you're gonna do it slow and safely, put your hands out, put your foot out, do it like that. That's step one. Slowly. Knee comes in. Rotate that front foot out and back.
Oh! Ow, my feet hurt. I need socks for this. That hurt. Don't try this at home, kids. You need like knee pads. I'm gonna have like burns on my knees. That's nothing new. Was that good? Watching these people fall is good. The girl just fell down. You gotta... Ow, I hit my head. That's gonna be on a compilation somewhere.
This my sh.
Ow, my neck. My God, do I have insurance? I think I hurt myself. We're gonna try my death drop. I don't know how good it is. So I'm gonna do it slow and hopefully this will look like Laganja. Yay! Ow. Oh my God. I'm gonna go ice my injuries. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure that you comment down below and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I was trying to say that all in one breath. Did it happen? I don't know. Ow. Oh, my knees are ashy. Don't clock me for that. Did I even film anything that was usable? Probably not.
This my sh. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Ow. Okay, that's painful.